happy Wednesday, and I hope you are enjoying your holidays. Thanks for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the pocket option broker to do binary option trading. Again, if this is your first time visiting the channel, take a moment to look at the past videos so you understand what we've been talking about up until now. Today we are going to be talking about downtrends. Now, when you get into your trading session, this is so simple. You are either going to be looking for an uptrend or a downtrend. That's it. Your entry points are either going to be on the second or the third candle. Try not to rush it so you don't miss the opportunity. Let's see how all of these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.